how to convert 3ds files to OBJ using Spin3D Mesh Converter. Drag and drop your 3ds file into Spin3D. Select OBJ from the Output Format dropdown, click Convert. For more information on converting 3ds to OBJ, continue watching. Click on the Add File button, select the 3ds files you wish to convert and click Open. You can also drag and drop your 3ds files directly into Spin3D. Preview your original file before converting by selecting the file. The preview window is on the right. Set the output folder where you would like your converted files to be saved. By default, this is the same as the source file. Click on Browse, choose your folder and click Select Folder. In the Output Format drop-down section, select OBJ. Click on Convert to start converting the selected 3ds files to OBJ. To convert just one file, select the desired file and click Convert. For more Spin3D tutorials, please visit the address shown on your screen.